Today I'm here with
Dreaming Evelyn.
and she's at my house.
Hi.
And Stanley Gaming is coming over soon. He's supposed to be here already because it's 10:16 when we're filming.
But he's still not here. He disappointed us.
I know.
We need to slap.
Yeah. Today. Well, no, it wasn't today. It was yesterday or the day before. I built a campsite on Bloxburg. So basically, yeah, I think we're just gonna play a bit of Bloxburg, role play in her house, role play in my campsite and stuff. So we're gonna do role plays.
And by the way, we can see each other's screens right now because she's right next to me and I'm right next to her.
So she's on my laptop.
She's got
and
a
I'm
nice campsite here, and
I'll give you
her
top.
computer is so bad.
I know, because it was a
So
cheapo.
bad.
So basically, this is the
much is this
shop.
computer?
I have no clue. That's probably
Oh my
less-
god, it's broken.
No, it's good.
No,
So
I think it's actually broken.
don't just leave it. It's not. Look, it's loading. Sorry about that, guys. Take some snap. So yeah, this is the shop. Have toys just in case children come, and then I can steal them, put them in the cellar, and give them no toys. I'm just
Can I check what this is?
No, I don't. Stan can have a look at it when he comes. Okay.
Should I review the activity?
Food. No, just check.
Because I don't think something's good happening with this laptop. I'm gonna check it out, I'm sorry.
Okay. What? I never used that. What the hell? Oh, it's from my dad or something.
What is that?
I don't know. Wait, I don't know. Sorry about that, guys. I just saw someone jump in my background. What is that? Oh my god, I thought someone was banging on the glass, but it was just at his foot. Oh my god, that scared me so badly.
What is that though? 15 minutes ago. United Kingdom.
Got my dad. So, my friend, my BFF, is going to get my dad to have a look at the
I can't get down.
thing.
I'm sorry.
Oh god. To have a look at my computer. Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry.
My laptop, I mean. Sorry. These are the portaloos. And then this is the broken one.
Is accessing the device and it was accessed 15 minutes ago as well.
Okay, I'm going to pause the recording, guys, because yeah, I'm going to fix my laptop, and then so she can play with me, and then yeah.
Well, how did you
I'll
guys
come
get
back
to
to you.
this then?
Hi guys, so we're back, and my computer's fixed now. We saw someone was hacking it, but it was actually just Stan from yesterday when he signed into his account on my computer. Was that correct?
No.
Oh. So today I think I'm going to delete this campsite, but first I haven't shown you this, so let's show you this place. This area is where you can do
Welcome
your
to
laundry.
Bloxburg is one of your things, look.
So this is where you can do your laundry. I need to put a roof, but I can't be bothered now because we're going to delete it and sorry for the background noise. And then here are the clothes, so like that. And then you go through here, and then you can watch a movie, and then, or you can watch the fireworks display.
Oh, you copied that off Stan's one.
Yeah, Stan told me to have it.
Look.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Look how poor I am.
I can't see how poor you are.
27 movements.
Oh.
I'm gonna ask my mom for
Guys,
1,000
donate to Ella. And donate to me because I'm broke. Oh, it's her nickname.
May you didn't actually pause the recording and you started all over again. So you said
I didn't. Because it was on 2 minutes. And when I played the recording again, it said 2 minutes and then it went to 3
Okay,
and
sorry
stuff.
guys, sorry.
It's fine. That is not her real name. It's her nickname.
And for all you people wanting to know my real name's Brie. Okay.
I actually have one subscriber that's not a friend. I don't even know. Let's have a look, shall we? Alright, let's go to Google. 8.
Eight a person.
Go on my...
Don't be going and telling people your real names though, yeah?
No, we're not.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go on to YouTube. No, not YouTube channel 4. We're gonna go ahead onto YouTube. And what are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
Oh yeah, see my
we're gonna check
subscriber.
results.
So let's go.
We're so forgettable.
Oh my god.
I don't know. Banana time lapse. What do you watch?
Someone replied to me, yes. Someone replied to me, no, she's funny, I call you just a hater, but that wasn't me, okay. Yes. Thunder Scarborough. Shout out to you, because you're my only subscriber that's not a friend. Someone so proud. Yes, on Albert's video. I might be here, hopefully not.
They can't hear your computer.
Oh, they replied to someone else. Then why did it say it replied to my comment?
Finish.
I'm gonna... Wait, what is this? How?
Quit.
He did it like that. Lol, I just let people in my house because it's so cool. He gave me 100k. Stop it, Lol. I'm gonna pin this comment.
Oh no.
I liked his comment. Wait, how do I pin it? How do I pin comments? Yeah. It's okay. It's loading.
No, because I joined the game and just as soon
Pin.
as I
I'm pinning this comment.
What?
I don't know.
Thunder Scarborough. I'll try that next time. Not. Who's Jamley?
Me.
Oh.
I'm subscribing to him. Popular channels. Family Fizz. I know all these people. Bright Side. Why am I not subscribed? 5 minute comment.
Lucas and
I
Marcus.
don't. I know everyone except from this dude.
I don't know who. You don't know Lucas and Marcus?
No, not Lucas and Marcus. I don't know this dude.
Neither do I.
Yes, I'm subscribed to
Lucas
the
and
Norris
Marcus.
Nuts. Okay, I shout out to the Norris Nuts. I know
I
they
don't
never
even
see
know who
this.
the Norris Nuts
These are the Norris Nuts, and they're the best people on the earth. No, they're not. No, they're not. You're not a legend. Did you nice? Your dancing shoes on? Say no second, big ain't nice. This is where I belong. Catch me knuckles, yeah, for the legends. 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 Catch me knuckles in emergency hugs. Stay away from the beats, stay away from the drugs. We're gonna be on the floor, gonna be fake. We're real, won't use clickbait. Flex, yeah, we don't care about Rolex. Man said don't flex, yeah, we don't care about Rolex.
Did you realize you're still recording?
I know. Yeah, for the legends, yeah,
For the legends, Rolex. Yeah, for the legends, Rolex.
Never perfect. The heart is kind. Don't judge if you make
It's not
smudge.
reloading now.
Oh, and my video. Oh. Judge.
Casually.
Okay, guys. All right.
This is broken.
Oh, Ruby joined.
It's broken.
Oh, I'm not able to.
Broken.
I did tell you that PC's not working.
Alright guys, I'm going to stop the recording now. So, and I will do a better video later. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!